We're live.
We're live. Hey everybody, it's Keely reporting to you live from Still with a Kiss. Last week I was telling you all about our Ghouls Night Out. That was on Friday. We had so much fun. It was a lot of fun. In fact, here's what we made. Everybody got a kit with different yarns for their house that they picked. We featured Manos, Ikigai, who else did we do? Earth and Rowan. And we did a pattern for little neck scarves. Aren't they fun? I'll put that up on our website. I should. I don't have that up there yet. We made all these little scarves. We tied them around pumpkins. I forgot to turn off the music up there. Hold on just a second. We're running behind today. My husband called right as we were starting. Isn't this fun? We forgot to do that, Jeannie. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to hear me when we go up front. Okay, I got it. All right. Technical difficulties over with. Okay, so we're glad for everybody who came out. And if not, we do have a few extra kits left over. So if you're like, dang, I wish I had one, call the shop. Jeannie can hook you up. All right, we have a trunk show to show you. I showed you the ones from Rowan and from, I forgot to move this over here. That's okay. We had what last week? Rowan and Manos. And this one came like the next day. This is from Ikigai Fibers. This is a new company to us, and we are in love. Okay, look at all these hats. So let me turn this around. I forgot to move the table. I'm too busy talking. Imagine that. Look how cute these are. The pom-poms. They put jewels on them. We have the big ones like this. Look at all these pretty hats. Everybody's going crazy for hats. And it feels so nice. This yarn is amazing. And fun colors. Does this not make you want to make a hat? We're going to need them. It doesn't feel like it just yet, but we're getting there. Here's a little baby one. They're cute with the twist. I love the twist. Pretty. Lots of pretty hats. And then we also have scarves. These are just swatches for different stitch patterns you can make with this. The little pom-poms. Blanket. Another scarf. This is the Sophie scarf, which is usually pretty tiny, but they just made it with their bigger yarn, and look how cute. Probably don't look cute if I'm trying to strangle myself with it here. But you get the idea. Isn't it cute? Everybody liked this. This was a big hat with little pom-poms on the end. Granny squares. These are just some nice Farrow cowls. We have lots of mittens. Look at the mittens. They pretty. I think we posted about that on social media yesterday. Okay, crocheters, check out this. Look how beautiful this yarn makes up. And the colors for the blanket. And then knitters. And we have all these colors. This would make a great blanket. This miter square. And they go back and forth between the solids and the twist. Isn't that pretty? And I want the pillow. Look at the pillow. Isn't it fun how they did it? We have a banner or bunting. We have a discussion whether it's a banner or bunting. This is the yarn for Ikigai. It's a chunky, so soft. It's superwash merino mixed with alpaca. So I think it kind of negates a little bit of the superwash factor. I probably wash carefully. I don't know that I'd throw it in the machine. All right, and then we have some new stuff to show you. This way, new kits came in. These came in what, like right before our event on Friday? So they're still kind of sort of in the box. We managed to get them out. These are new amigurumi kits from Brazil. And there's all different series. These are good ones for beginners. And what's nice about all of their kits is it has everything you need. There's a tapestry needle, there's a crochet hook, everything. It's a complete kit. You need nothing. So it makes a nice gift for somebody. And these are little baby farm. You see them okay, Jeannie? Mm-hmm. Sometimes I know I go fast. There's a cow. And the piglet. And over here we have cats. You know, I forgot to get rid of the Halloween ones. Hey, Shauna Lynn, would you give me the Halloween ones that are back behind the counter? These are cats and dogs. I think there's dogs in here too. Yep. There's a dog, a poodle, and a bulldog. These are so cute. Shauna Lynn's finding the Halloween ones for me. She's getting them all. I'll do these in the meantime. These are just cute little things. It's called the Too Cute collection. I think she is too cute. There's a bee. And that's a dog. What else is this? A lamb or sheep. We bought a bunch. And strawberry. Thank you, Shauna Lynn. Halloween. Okay, these are, I had those. I need Halloween. We have more Halloween than that. Would you get the ones from behind the counter? Behind, look down where the bags are. Oh. That's what I want. Okay. These are Halloween kits. We have a scarecrow and a little pumpkin and a wizard. Let's see here. And then these are the ones with the legs. We have a black cat and a bat and another pumpkin person. My favorite, the witch. Isn't she cute? We like her a lot. So that's the Halloween. Christmas. We got all the seasons. Sugar plum, gingerbread man. Look at the snowman. Oh, of course, we have Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus and the reindeer. These are the ones that Jeannie's so excited about. Gnome. There's a gnome and a fairy and an elf. These glow in the dark. Has glow in the dark. You can kind of see the picture there of them glowing. How cool is that? Glow in the dark little forest creatures. Don't worry, knitters. They don't do knitted creatures like our other company does, but we thought these were kind of cool. These will make good gifts. These are dishcloth kits. Aren't they fun? I think this size kit makes 2 dishcloths, where this one will make 4. And it has everything you need. Like I said, there's needles in there. It may not be your favorite needles, but like if you're getting it for a gift for somebody maybe that knit all the time, they'll have what they need. But wait, there's more. We'll get there. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are always popular. These are cute. These don't look too hard to make. A lot of these are real easy. They have videos to help you on their website as well. And then our safari creatures. Monkey. And a bear. Let's go over here. There's more. They wouldn't all fit in the box. Here we go. Ballerinas. They all have names. I think it's Mary Claire. I'm not going to remember all their names, though. Don't remember her name. Elena or something. There's the purple one. And the pink one. And these are made with kind of a chenille yarn. And they're really so cute. See, it's got a real nice soft yarn with it. We have a hippo, a bear. I'm not sure what that is. That's a cat. And this is the dog. And there's, oh, the koala bear. Jeannie and I went a little crazy buying kits. And where are we going to put them? Well, that's another story. Right now, they've been in the dressing room in a box. Because we had, they came in like, within a few hours of our party. All these boxes, there were more than this. And I'm like, we got to get these out. We can't just have cool kits in the box with our Halloween party. We had to get them out. So Shonda and I worked really hard to get them out so that you guys could start digging through. Okay, this week we have a trunk show that starts Friday with Della Q, showing off some of their products. That'll be on display through the 30th. We're going to build in an online component to that too, so if you can't come in person to the trunk show, we'll have kind of an online trunk show as well. This week we have brioche increases on Thursday. Saturday we have another doubleheader at Fair Isle in the morning, and then the afternoon I continue with my design workshop with Shirley Payton. I think that the people who are participating have found this to be a transformative type experience. They've learned so much about their knitting. Even if your desire is not to be a designer, it's been a really super great class. I can't wait until we have some finished pieces and I can show you what my students have created for us. Other than that, that's what's going on, and we'll see what's happening next week. Bye.